Data of every description will pervade our consciousness. Holograms projected beneath our eyelids.
Welcome to the DCC Museum.
Hi and welcome back at the museum. Today we're doing a follow-up video and an unboxing of a DCC-175. The DCC-175, including the PCA-10, which is a really rare cable, is used at the museum for musical production of the new DCCs that we release every year. What is different about today's video is that most of you know that the inbox would look something like this. But during the release in 1995, there was a rare package that would incorporate the cable that normally would have to be ordered separately in this box. So it would have the software, the cable, and of course the player. What you also see, if you would order it later, if you were one of the lucky 1,250 people to obtain a cable, it would come in a box like this. Let's take a look. So let's start with the special packaging first. We have seen about half a dozen of these. 2 of them are here at the museum. They're already restored and they're not new old stock. They have been opened, but they're complete. So as you can see, it contains basically an extra packaging, listed everything that is inside, very colorful in the scheme, fitting at the mid-90s. This is the same packaging as you would normally get, and then there is a white box that would contain everything regarding to the cable. So it would have the software to install on a Windows 95 or 98, the manual. The software would do a backup up to 500 megabytes, and of course you would be able to create your own mixtape. And there is the cable. Inside the player, we have of course the audio connection cable and the manual, a pouch to carry around, the player itself, this. So it would come with a new cassette, the power adapter, earbuds and remote, the audio cable, that is the remote, the earbuds, and of course a battery. Now this package is pretty similar to the white one. The white one would only be incorporated in one of these boxes. If you would order it separately at the store, you would get a nice colorful box that would match this. So again, we have done a restore video for TechMoan about it. You can view it in the link above. And we hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.